After solving the middle edges, you will have solved 2/3 of the Rubik's Cube. When you begin the top layer, you might see 4 things. You might see a dot, a backwards L shape, a horizontal bar, or a cross. Your goal is to get to that cross. So let's begin with the dot. Now, this is a dot because all 4 yellow edges are flipped the wrong way. It doesn't matter what the corners are doing. If you see the dot, you're going to go front clockwise, up, left, down, right, front counterclockwise. This is called the face. You will use this algorithm multiple times until you get to the yellow cross. Now we have the backwards L. So I'm going to turn this until the L is backwards. Remember, don't pay attention to what the 4 corners are doing. This backwards L needs to be made up of the center and the edges. You're going to do the face algorithm again. Front clockwise, up, left, down, right. Front counterclockwise. Now you will get to the horizontal bar. I know this looks like an H, but I know it's the horizontal bar because of the edges. It doesn't matter what the corners are doing. So you're going to do the face algorithm again. Front clockwise, up, left, down, right. Front counterclockwise. Now you will have the yellow cross. Now, the yellow cross is different from the white cross because not all the edges will be in the right places unless you get lucky. So you have to get these edges actually in the right places. So what you want to do is spin the top layer until you can line up 2 of the yellow cross edges. So I've lined up green and blue. Since these 2 are opposite each other, I can actually hold the cube anyway with yellow on top and do this algorithm called the push. So I'm going to go up push, down push, up double push, down push. What this does is push the yellow cross pieces around to get them closer to being solved. So now I'm going to spin again. I've lined up green and red. So if you've lined up 2 that are next to each other, you're going to put them in the back and the right and do the same algorithm again. So push. Up push, down push, up double push, down push. So check. Now I've solved all of the 4 cross pieces. After solving the yellow cross edges, you need to put the 4 corners in the right place. What you're going to do is look for a corner that is already in the right place. Now, the way to check if a corner is in the right place is to look at its 3 colors and see if they match up with the colors around it. So, we have yellow, red, and blue. That does not match up with yellow, orange, and blue. So let's move on to the next one. Yellow, orange, and green does not match up with yellow, red, and blue. Here we have yellow, green, and red. That matches up with yellow, green, and red. So what we do is hold this piece on the top right and do the algorithm called the dodge. Dodge left, up, dodge right, up, dodge left, down, dodge right, down. After doing the dodge, check the other corners to see if they're in the right places. They're not, because I see that yellow, orange, blue does not match up with yellow, orange, green. So you go back to your original corner and do it again. Dodge left, up, dodge right, up, dodge left, down, dodge right, down. Now I check. Are the corners in the right place? Yes. Sometimes none of the corners will be in the right place. As you can see, none of these corners' colors match up with the colors around them. So what you do is the dodge on any corner you want. Dodge left, up, dodge right, up, dodge left, down, dodge right, down. This will move one of the corners into the right place. So here it is. So I'm going to perform the dodge on it. So you should have all the yellow corners in the right place, which means that the 3 colors on each corner match up with the 3 colors around them. Unless you get lucky, some of the corners will be twisted wrong, like here. What you do is face one of these corners so that it is in the top right, keeping yellow on top. Then you do these 4 moves until you see yellow on top. You go down, left, up, right. Continue this. Down, left, up, right. After doing it, check if yellow's on the top. If it is, spin the top layer around to the next corner that is twisted the wrong way. Do those same moves. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. You probably know how to solve it from here. Sometimes you may come across the case where corners that are twisted the wrong way are opposite each other. The process is the same. Face one of them in the top right, go down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, until you see yellow on the top. Then you twist the top layer around so that the next wrongly twisted corner is in the top right. And do those same moves. Down, left, up, right. And you probably know how to solve it from here. So there you have it. That is the LBL, layer by layer, method of the Rubik's Cube.